The light went off. Nawalan daw ng kuryente. A blackout. Oh, na-blackout. Shouted Jessica. Don't be alarmed, sabi ng nanay. It's good thing when we have. It's good thing we have what we need, said mother. Oh, at least meron daw silang ilaw kahit wala sila. Meron silang candles at meron silang phosphorus, oxygen. Oh, this is the question. Bibilisan ko lang ng question. Kung hindi makakaano, bahala kayo sa buhay. Kung ayaw nyo makinig, wala akong pakit. Bahala kayo. Bahala na kayo, balikan dyan ang magbabasa. Hindi naman kayo nakikinig. Number 16. Why did they close the window? Bakit daw sinara? A. To keep their home clean. Bakit ng bahay? C. To make their beer cooler. Para daw mas malamig. Kaya nakasara. Letter C. Protect them from the rain. Para mag-protect lang daw sa ulan. Letter D. To prevent bats. Para daw walang pumasok na mga panike. Oh, that's number 16. Number 17. Which of the following? Oh, yan na. Oh, number 6, 17. Which of the following did Jessica and her mom do? Ano daw yung ginawa ni Jessica at ng kanyang mama? Ganyan. Ganito. Letter A, pray hard. Nag-pray daw sila na mataimtim. Letter B, bought supplies. Bumili daw sila ng supplies. Letter C, work together. Nagkatrabaho sila. Or letter D, watch the wind. Ano daw ang ginawa ni Jessica at ng kanyang mama? Okay na? Ako na lang si-check niya. Kaya, hindi nyo naman nilalagyan naman.